struggling with Propfirms? Let's go. Now, a strategy is only simple, guys. Not if I say simple, or not if you find it simple. A strategy is only simple, guys, if majority of the people using the strategy find it simple, right? This is the break and retest strategy. Someone dropped a message to me once, try it for oil. So this is US oil, and they said, the way, the price action reacts to the break and retest is actually very, very insane. So I mean, I've been backtesting anyway regarding, normally everyone knows, if you've already been following my channel, I use a lot of GJ charts here for backtesting, forward testing, journal data collecting, but GJ is my bread and butter. I've also collected data for Euro USD and also for gold, and recently I'm checking it on US oil. Now the way I basically, my break and retest strategy, the way I've refined it, the way you're seeing here right now is the simple break and retest. Right now I've chucked it on here, guys, for free. Now because why? Because normally these forex gurus, so-called forex gurus, they normally sell this as a course. So I thought, I'm just gonna I've been doing this for so many hundreds of videos, will continue to do so, because they normally chuck this and put it in making a course and chuck it out and sell it for, like, I don't know, crazy amounts of money. Really it should be general information, general public information. So chuck this out there, and we're going over this, and I'm just going to show guys how simple the break and retest strategy is. The only downside to this strategy, it's got a low win rate. Even though you might be seeing these winners here, the win rate is low. I back tested this. My own break and retest strategy, I'll just show you here on this chart. For GJ, I back tested 287 trades, but if I just show you the main one, guys, if I zoom out, let me just show you. If I even go to the 4-hour time frame, now this normally takes a few minutes loading, not minutes, sorry, a few seconds loading. If I just show you, look at this, I'm on the 4-hour time frame. And why am I showing this, guys? Just to show you, I don't just give it the big talk. I've got the data to back it up. One blue line to blue line is 1 week. One red line to red line is 1 month. And if I even scroll down, this is becoming a bit laggy. Always does this. I just locked it all just in case I don't move or delete anything by accident. Let's go a bit further down. It's not even moving, guys. That's how I'll do. Okay, nice. Now we're getting some movement. Let me scroll this down, and this goes on and on and on for the last over 500 trades. Then I just collect all my data here, put it accurately for how many wins and losses happened in a row. I've then even put it onto Excel. This goes on, as you can see, 530 some trades. Stopped backtesting it recently. I mean in January time, just because that was more than enough data for me to go off. And then but this is not the exact break and retest. I just want to clarify this. It's not the exact break and retest strategy I teach in my one-to-ones. If, by the way, join, the link will be in the video description. Highly recommended, guys, if you want one-to-one mentorship. We've got group live sessions, live trades to I even post my live trades before and after, my winners, the losses, experience trades. So it's full transparency, guys. This is today's session. Everyone just catching the wins. Pretty much most of us caught the same trade, and we get about 3 to 8 setups per day. Testimonials, full, check out what other people are saying about me, and I'll even show you the funded certificate side as well. People are getting passing certificate, even myself, right? Passing challenges within 1 day. This is a phase 2, passed in 1 day. This was a phase 1, passed in 1 day. So this is a great community. Trading can be a very lonely space, guys. Come and check it out. Link will be in the video description. If you are looking for one-to-one mentorship, come on, come say hi, or if you just want to just chill out, yeah, full transparency. Check it out. Okay, let's go break down the strategy. So now the break and retest strategy, why I love it, because this whole game, guys, is about key levels, right? I don't want to make this video too long, but this whole game is about key levels. And why it matters is because when you're drawing the correct key levels, price on every, if I just show you something here, look at this. This is now, we've got stocks, you've got futures, forex, crypto indices, pretty much price will always react if drawn the key levels correctly, right? I show exactly how I draw. I refine this strategy to be uniquely my own. With GJ 1 to 4 risk to reward, we trade go Euro USD 1 to 6 risk to reward. With gold 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6 as well. But some of these GJ trades can go flying. Look at oil is insane. But the way if you can draw the key levels accurately, guys, your entries are only good as your zones, if you want to call it, small resistance levels, your key levels. By the way, I just want to give a heads up, I do not trade off support. I only look for breaks, then that's how I capitalize on the entry. So let's just break this down one by one, just to show you. Because imagine if you're a beginner. Now if you're a beginner, guys, this strategy is perfect for you, especially to pick it up. This is one of the fastest strategies you can learn as well. Why? Look at this. Let's go on a smaller time frame. Just one moment, make it much easier. Okay, so what am I seeing right now? Now here, gonna break this down. Here we got a breakdown, right? Price comes up. Now why would you not take the sell here, guys? Why would you not take the sell? First of all, I'm on the wrong time frame. Just one moment, let's cut this down a bit more. Okay, perfect. Price comes down, right? So might say, well, why did you take a sell over here? Well, the reason, sell over here, sorry, this was the bearish breakout. Price comes up, why did you take a sell over here? Well, do you see another bearish candle forming, giving me a rejection? No, I don't see it as well. Price creates a huge bullish candle to the upside, wick rejection at the bottom. If I was to even turn on my candle strength indicator, let's see if it picks it up. It's not gonna, because the candles are not close enough. Now it will. Now look at this, a 94% candle strength, bullish candle. That's how much strength this kind of bullish candle's got. The strength of the buyers. Pushes market up. Now the next candle comes back down, which is a bearish. It's also 100%. But why does this have no value in my eyes? Now look at the accuracy, guys, on my key level that I've drawn. Price breaks above, right? This is a huge breakout here, bullish candle. Price comes down, but this bearish candle here, guys, it doesn't close below my zone or my key level. It doesn't close below it. The next candle is a bullish one, right? So I would just take the entry even after this bearish candle here. Price comes a little bit, I would like it to come closer to my key level. Price comes a little bit down, and you can just take a buy, and the rest is history, right? Price does come down to you do a little bit of a retest, and then it just, you can even, well, this would be the best one, this would be the better one, and it just flies after that. So if you go to a bigger time frame, speed up the process, this is a 1 to 7, guys. Now another thing I want to touch on, risk management is king, guys. Remember this. So let me just make a note of this as well. So just gonna call it risk. Let me put this to the side. And every single trade, do yourself a favor, guys, start with 0.5%, especially when you're trading with a prop firm. Start with 0.5%. Right, so if you lose the trade, you got still 20 lifelines. You got 10% drawdown, right? So now you got 20 lifelines if you're 0.5% per trade. But if you win the trade, only risk your profits, guys. Then you move it to 1% per trade. Now let's push this over. I mean, even if you think about it, right? Let's go to this side here. I love this website here, because it gives me it's like a stress relief, right? It reduces stress knowing that I just gotta have, like, my GJ is a 1 to 4 risk to reward, 10 trades, right? 10 trades. So let's just say, let's go with heads. All I need to be profitable anyway, guys, look, 2 trades for GJ, 1 to 4 wins. I only need 2 wins, right? For example, I have a 67% win rate, 65 to 72% win rate on average. But let's just stick to this, right? What I'm about to say. 2 trades in winners, that's 8% profit, because each trade is 1 to 4. I've lost my next 8 trades. 8 take away 8 is 0%, meaning break even. So even if all I'm gonna do is win 2 trades, guys, my next 8 can be losses. Or you can say out of 10 trades, I only have to win. So let's say heads. Let's do this. Heads. 6 winners. I'm gonna have 6 winners. 6 times 4, 24. Take away 4, that's 20%. On a 100k account, I've just walked away with 20k, guys, out of 10 trades only, right? Now if this is you trading with the Euro USD, the strategy that I teach, so that's 1 to 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Take away the 432. Now you walked away with 32k. But let's do it again. Now let's pick a tails. Let's go with tails now, right? Tails is the winner again. Okay, let's I want a lower number. Heads. Okay, perfect. Lower number, heads, right? 3, 4 times 3, 12. 12 saves, take away 7, 5. I'm still walking away on a 100k account with 5k after 10 trades. You gotta be kidding me. I've won only 3 trades and I've lost 7 out of those 10 trades. It's just insane, guys. That alone is just, you know, satisfying to know, right? It just really reduces so much stress, frustration. But you know, okay, let's go break this down. We work this one out. Let's go to a smaller time frame. So what are the clues in here, guys? Right, we've got the breakout, that's obviously clear to see, but market comes back. Now this is again the accuracy of the key levels, guys. What do you notice here? I see clean price action. This might look messy to most of you, but why does it look clean to me? Look at the, let me just move this out of the way, guys. Look at the candle bodies and the candle bodies over here. These candle bodies over here, none of the candles ever close above this key level here, right? I get my breakout here, price comes back down. In this sense, you know, it does close a little bit below, but it's a long wick rejection, bearish. It's a very weak bearish candle, so I'm okay. So all I can just even look at this here, it has zero value. So normally I'll just mark here in red, zero value. We keep going. Look at this now, again wick rejections, price is rejecting this. This is the candle I've been waiting for. Look at this bullish candle, long wick rejection. Price now gives me a reason to take an entry. I'll wait for price to come near enough in the zone or near the key level. Now I can take my entry from here, and now it's a game. It's all probabilities. You can have the best entries in the world, guys, or according to your strategy. You can follow all the rules. It can be an A+ setup, does not mean it will 100% turn out to be a winner. It doesn't work like that. No one will never know if it'll actually win or not. This let's see what this flies up to be. A 127, 127. Even risking 0.5%, guys, that's 3.5%, 3.5%. But you remember those tails that I showed, heads and tails, the coins? Like, it's insane. It's insane. The risk management, guys, is super important. It's king. That's why you even mentioned in my Discord community. You mentioned in my mentorship. You know, it's without it, it's the bloodline. Without it, your strategy is gonna fail. I don't care what your edge is. No strategy is 100%. So you have to keep risk management. You're gonna have to utilize it to the best. And that's what's gonna really take your edge to the next level. Okay, so let's go to look at this losing trade here, right? There's a sell here. Now this is these yellow boxes here, guys, I show in my mentorship as well, 1-to-1, and also group session that we do as well, but I do put session breakdown videos as well. This here is consolidation. We wait for the breakouts, then we take on the entries, but that's something I touch on more in detail in the mentorship. Let's go here. Market just tanks here, but if you look at here, let me just put this on playback. Putting this on playback. It's going on a smaller time frame, 10-minute. Now why was this a loss? As we can see the breakout here, right? Huge bullish candle. There's a breakout here as well, but you want to even see, and I'll give you a tip here as well, guys, you want to see the quality of the breakout as well. The quality of the breakout is key. Here, color it green. It's a good quality breakout, but does it mean it's going to be a winner? No. Right? Now in this instance, guys, look at this. This does not really solidify like a reason to take a buy. It is a bearish candle close, right? The next candle is a bullish, so then for that reason I would take the buy, right? But when you do, look at this, it hits my stop loss. It is what it is, guys. It's one of those, you can have a really good setup, but still it doesn't always work. Here is another key level drawn, right? So I didn't put a yellow box. I really looked a bit too cramped. So here, price, let me just go to the smaller time frame. What do I see here? Price breaks below. Price breaks below, comes back up again. Look at the quality of my key level. Once the breakout happens, none of the candles ever close above the key level, right? Look at this. Price comes up, rejects it, bearish candle. Now this here, this entry over here would be an impulse entry, right? Market comes back up again. This, even though it's a bearish candle, I would take the entry here. This would be if you're more patient, it will serve you better. It's obviously it's an extra confluence, looking at this here. But here, our two reasons I would take this entry. One, look at price action in the past. Now the candle's closed above. Number two, this bullish candle, even though it's showing a lot of volume, is still closed below. So I'd be like, wait a minute, you got a lot of volume of buyers behind you, but you still you created a wick rejection, you still couldn't close above. Yeah, I'm taking the trade. But even this solidified, we're still waiting for a bearish candle. Would be rejection would be better, but let's see if we get another. Yeah, this would be, it's either this one or either this one for the entry, guys. These things take time, take patience, but yeah, this would be a sell. And then market, let's see what it goes down to. This would have given us, now this is just showing for oil, guys. Again, this will give a 1 to 12. Just to now make it very clear, this is not the exact method. The entry would be pretty much similar anyway with my break and retest strategy that I've refined, and it's taken me more than 4 years. But what I want to make it clear, guys, the win rate is low. This is a certain area of oil price action that the win rate is looking a bit, you know, it's looking a bit nice, but overall, trust me, it's not a strategy. This break and retest, it's how do I say this, it does look simple and all that, but mine is that I've seen, and even my students will agree as well, is the entries are more simple. You know, the whole idea, the drawing the key levels is very simple, and you know, it just works, right? It's simple, just simply put, it works. Now let's go into, because we got a breakout here, you know, let's go over here now. Okay, now look at this, price is rejecting. Let's go to small time frame so you can see more detail. So I like going to a small time frame as well, because it just shows the accuracy of the key level that I've drawn. Look at this, it's just zigzagging up and down. Look at this, guys, this is beautiful. How beautiful is that? Look at the quality of the key level. Look at these candles here, all closing above. There was one guy, a student now, he got in touch with me, and you know, he's a student yet to be, and he's at a 24k payout with FTMO, guys. And I said to him, dude, you're already profitable, why do you want to join? Because one of the questions I do ask is, how much experience do you have? So he told me his background story, showed me his proof of certificate of payout, so about 24k. And I said, why do you want to join? He said, I just want to learn one thing. I'm already profitable, I just want to learn one thing, how you draw the key levels. I thought, okay, fair point. It's a win-win for everyone anyway. He comes into mentorship, I'm sure he's gonna have tons of value to provide for the other students. It's a win for him, you know, because you know, like, he gets to learn about the key levels, and it's a win for me. Why? Because, you know, a profitable individual, you know, is now will be a student of the mentorship, so it's a win-win for everyone. But yeah, it is what it is. You know, these key levels, they didn't come, I didn't learn, have a dream how to draw them. They didn't come overnight. 8 to 10 hours of putting every single day. Then I've taken courses and all that, but still, even courses haven't taught me this. This only came through experience, guys. You know, never had a mentor, self-taught, but took me pretty much on and off 8 years. But God is kind, and now I never have to work a day in, you know, ever for a day ever again for anyone. And I'm never said, guys, I'm a multi-millionaire, but yes, I am financially secure. And if you're even able to leave your 9 to 5, in my eyes, that's success itself. You know, ask those people who do, you know, always have someone looking over their shoulder, who get shouted at every single day, and what they go through. I've been the same. I've worked in KFC, I've done door-to-door sales, you know, I've done everything. I worked for the police, CCTV, I've done security, I've done everything. I've worked for, I've done deliveries for Domino's. I've done it all, guys. So yeah, in my eyes, am I successful? Well, my family's healthy, my family loves me, and you know, I work for myself. Yes, in my, you know, I am successful. But you know, I'm just trying to show the message for this strategy is, guys, for my channel is, guys, trading can be simplified. Put yourself in the right crowd, in the right circle, but that is easy said than done. Just the way the spaces of trading. My aim is I'm trying to become you know, show full transparency. I show my live trades, guys, at the moment of entry, and win or lose, I post them up as well. You can even check this is for 760 people that are now in the group. And I only opened this for like 2 months. Full transparency, guys, nothing to hide. You can check those out. You can see the testimonials, you can see the funded certificates that I post as well. My every video that starts with the intro, I just show that I'm a small YouTube channel, but I try to show that, you know, it's transparency, right? I know what I'm doing. I have around 39 certificates to be exact. I'm, you know, 700k funded, so I do have a little bit of an idea, guys, what I'm talking about. I just don't say this out of the blue. But yeah, you know, look at this again. Price breaks above. Let's go to the, let's get cleaner rejections. Price breaks above. Remember what I said? The quality of the breakout. Bullish candle, huge bullish candle. Price comes back down. Look at this, rejecting the key level perfectly, right? That's enough for me to say I'm taking an entry. But let's just say we didn't, and we're still waiting. We wait for the candle to close, right? This is a weak bearish candle because a long wick rejection, so sellers are not even in control. Then we've got this bullish candle here. You can call it an engulfing candle. The body of this candle is much higher than this one. And then I'm just going to wait for price to come a little bit down. Now there's a bit of consolidation starting here as well. So, but still, again, we got another bullish candle here. So it's beautiful. This is, I'll just take the entry. and then leave everything else to the market. Win or lose, I don't care. I'm focused on the next 10 trades. You know, it is what it is. I move on, and boom, a 128 is it. Let's just go on a bigger time frame, let market move a bit faster. What we got here, a 128. Simple as, guys. Simplify trading for yourself. Just come in the mentorship if you want to learn one-to-one, or if not, just want to chill, guys. You know, we've got engaged, very engaged community, like-minded people, obsessed people who have a hunger to succeed. Just come say hi. Yeah, so that's for me, guys. Hope you took value from this. Take care, and I'm out.